Guys, it's James from gigapress.net. Today, we're going to be learning the 4 methods on how to check the PHP version of your WordPress site. PHP is the scripting language that powers WordPress. It processes and executes the code to generate dynamic content, interact with the database, and deliver the final HTML to your browser. Essentially, PHP is what makes WordPress functional and dynamic. So why is it important to run the latest version of PHP? Your WordPress site depends on the version of PHP your server uses, and it's always better to run a newer version. WordPress recommends using PHP 7.4 or higher to take advantage of better speed, better security, and better features. Most good hosting providers offer up-to-date PHP versions, but upgrading can sometimes cause issues with older themes and plugins. So, before making the switch, make sure everything is updated to avoid compatibility problems. Since it plays a crucial role in your site's performance, it's important to know exactly which version of PHP you're running. This will help you determine whether it's time to update. With that in mind, here are 4 ways to check your version of PHP. Number 1 is by using the WordPress Health Tool. Open your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Tools, and select Site Health. Here, as you can see, the report has 2 sections, Status and Info. In the Status tab, you'll see recommendations to improve your site's performance and security. You can click on each item to get more details about the site health check recommendations. To check your PHP version, go to the Info tab, scroll down to Server, and click to expand the details. In this section, you'll find information about your server setup. This includes your version of PHP. As you can see here, the PHP version is 8.1.29. Supports 64-bit values. Number 2, check your hosting control panel. You can also check your PHP version in your hosting control panel, which varies depending on your web host. For instance, some hosts use the popular cPanel, while others may have their own custom panels. Either way, you should be able to find your PHP version somewhere in that panel. In this case, I'm going to log into cPanel. Once you log in, you'll immediately see the current PHP version. As you can see, native, 8.1, current. Number 3, to check your PHP version, you can use a plugin. Go to Dashboard, head over to Plugins, and select Add New Plugin. On the search box, type Display PHP Version. This is a simple plugin that displays your current version of PHP right in the WordPress dashboard. Click the Install Now button, then click Activate. Once activated, go back to the dashboard, then scroll down to the At a Glance widget. This will display your version of PHP. As you can see here, the server is running PHP version 8.1.29, MySQL version 8.0.37. Now, if you don't have access to a web hosting panel, the number 4 method to check the PHP version is by creating your own PHP file. First, open your text editor and create a new file named phpversion.php. Inside this file, add the following code: php, php-info. Once done, you can now save the file. The next step is uploading phpversion.php to your server. Here, I'm going to use a file transfer protocol, or FTP client, which is FileZilla. In FileZilla, go to File, then click on Site Manager. If this is your first time connecting to your server, select New Site and give it a name. Then, enter your FTP login details and click Connect. Once you're connected, navigate to public_HTML, which is your site's root directory, and upload your phpversion.php file there. Next, open your web browser and enter your domain name followed by /phpversion.php, and your PHP version will be displayed on the screen. And that's it! The 4 methods to check the PHP version of your WordPress site. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.